I know. Come here. Come walk to me. Come here. Come here. I know.
That was our first time.
Come here to Mommy. Good job, girl.
Oh, did you see that?
Come here, sweetness baby. Uh-oh. Are you showing what a big girl you are? Uh-oh. Yeah, Daddy will be here soon. Come here. Come here. Come here. Can you walk?
Did you see that? She just
Come
got
here.
balance and stand.
Oh, thank you.
She just got
Thank
balance
you.
and standing.
Yeah, she stood up, didn't she?
I want to see that again.
Good job,
I want to see
Ezra.
that again.
Quit. Stop. Quit. There's a hole in Mommy's pants. Quit. Can you stand up? Show me. Show me. Stand up. Stand up. There she goes. Yay! Good girl. Stand up. Well, good girl. Oh, uh-oh. Say, Elias is here to play today. And he's ready for his bottle. Yes, he is, isn't he? It's okay.